Henry Ford said, "Coming together is a beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is success." Here at Pioneer Technology Center's Business and Industry Services, we do just that. Meet the team of individuals who work for your success, providing programs and services to our district communities and beyond.
Have you ever explored government contracting for your business? Well, you should, because they spend over $500 billion annually, and they are the largest buyer of goods and services. Doing business with city, county, state, federal, and tribal governments requires some specialized skill, and I just happen to be your local guide to all things government contracting. Last year, I helped businesses earn more than $73 million in local income from these opportunities. Don't let $500 billion slip through your fingers. Contact me today.
Pioneer Tech's Certified Business Incubator is designed to nurture the growth and development of startup businesses. Our collaborative workspaces include low overhead costs to ease the initial financial strains of growing a new business, income tax advantages, and perhaps most importantly, mentorship and expertise from team coordinators. Our goal is to graduate your business from the incubator to another location while being financially healthy. Business and Industry Services is also introducing innovative technologies that allow our small businesses the opportunity to explore new and efficient skills for working better and faster, not harder. Let our team of business professionals lead to your company's success and growth.
Today's business world is challenging. It's fast-paced and competitive. Do you ever wonder how your company can keep up? The answer is Pioneer Tech Business and Industry Services. From leadership management development, in my program, I create flexible training for your employees and management staff to grow their skills and productivity. Whether you need a company retreat, meeting facilitation, or simply motivation for your employees, we can help. Don't let a rapidly changing business world frighten you. Empower your employees today with training to transform your business for the better.
Did you know that there are over 78,000 farms in Oklahoma, and 96% of those are family-owned? Helping local farm and ranch families is my passion. At Pioneer Tech, we offer agricultural services in quicken record keeping, assistance with preparing farm plans, farm loans, financial statements, marketing, and tax planning. Through training and education, I'm here to help local farmers and ranchers meet their goals and their needs. Let my passion make your agricultural legacy thrive.
Starting your own business is tough, but guess what? You don't have to do it on your own. My services are designed to offer professional assistance for business plan preparation, a loan proposal, or financial projections so you can have the money necessary to start a business or expand an existing business. I'm also an advisor with the Oklahoma Small Business Development Center, where classes are offered for business owners at any level. Call or visit me anytime for information about one-on-one counseling sessions at Pioneer Tech. Remember, you're not alone. I'm here to help your business come to life.
I help clients troubleshoot and design solutions to meet their marketing challenges. Let me help you with market research to identify new target audiences and grow your client base. My one-on-one approach can help you develop skills to improve branding, create marketing plans, inspire content ideas, and identify best practices so you can reach more customers. Contact me anytime and be added to our monthly email blast that keeps you informed about the educational opportunities for district small businesses.
Each year, thousands of people are injured or killed in accidents on the job that could have been avoided. In Pioneer Tech's safety training program, we deliver safety training related to your specific business needs. This customized training can be held on the Pioneer Tech campus, the client's facility, or other appropriate locations. Check out pioneertech.edu/safety training and scroll through the many class options available to you. If you don't see what you're looking for, no problem, we will customize. Remember that safety doesn't happen by accident. Contact our team today.
Adult training and development can help you find a career, enhance your skills, or introduce you to a new hobby. Welding, CNA, private security guard, electric motor control, cooking classes, and more. Check out our many class offerings on the PTC website. You can also choose from hundreds of online courses ranging from 6 weeks long like QuickBooks and grant writing to year-long courses like medical coding and billing. AT&D classes run all year long, and we're always looking for new ideas and instructors. Let us know if there's a class you'd like to see offered. Remember, check out pioneertech.edu to enroll in all of our short-term classes.
As we rise like a phoenix from the ashes of 2020, our team is exploring new ways to provide professional and workforce development to you, our clients. Through our partnership with Central Tech, we provide CDL prep classes as well as truck driver training right here on our campus. Also, our Emergency Services Training Center is fully equipped for law enforcement and fire service classes offered for a multitude of training needs. Call me. I can design customized classes for your business. That's right, your time, your place, your way.
Hola, mi nombre es Silvia Urioste y ayudo a los negocios a la capacitación para sus empleados. Our district has a vast diversity of culture. Not only can I assist area business and industry with Spanish interpretation, I also work closely through partnerships with the area tribes, like the Ponca, Kaw, Oto, and Tonquah. We offer customized training for different departments within each of the tribes, from customer service to team building, you name it. We can help. Connect with me and we'll find training that's just the right fit for your company's diversity and culture.
The Pioneer Tech Business and Industry Services team believes in you and your company. We work hard for your success. It's your time, your place, your way. Call us today and let us help your business thrive.